What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Couture Crafting. We are hanging out. We are doing ornament number 3. If you guys haven't done so already, check out my other 2 ornaments. Lots of cool techniques and tricks and just really cool looking ornaments. This one here is going to be the puff ornament. It just looks like a big old ball of puffiness, and you can do it with scraps, you can do it with solids, you can do it however you want to. Super duper simple. Again, this is glue gun season. Whip out your glue guns. If you don't want to use a glue gun, you could totally do this with fabric glue or just really white Elmer's glue. As long as it's like one of those tacky glues, it'll totally work. So don't be thinking you have to use a glue gun, but it does make it faster and it's fun. Simple. If you want to make it look more puffy, use larger squares. If you want to make it look super dense and like tight, I have 2 styles. I'll show you how to do both, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, let's get into this puff ornament super fast. That's why this video is only like 2 minutes long. First thing I suggest you do is grab a ball and put your hanger in. I'm just using some 1/2 inch, this might be 1/4 inch ribbon. Nothing special, just going ahead and glue it down with your glue gun and secure it with some pins. These are just straight pins. I don't suggest buying these from Joann's because they're very expensive, but maybe your Walmart or something like that. Next, I have a couple of these skewers that I got from Target. Grab a pack because you might break it pushing in on your styrofoam. I am using the soft styrofoam balls, but this will also work with the rough styrofoam balls too. And all you do is put a dollop of glue, poke a hole, then put the glue on the tip of the fabric and then just push it in with the skewer. And you just do it over and over and over again. For a nice tight ball, this is a 3-inch ball. For a nice tight ball, you can use 2-inch squares. I did 2 different sizes. I did 2-inch squares on the same size ball, and I did 3-inch squares on the same size ball. And the 3-inch, I actually prefer the look of both of them. They're a great filler if you just need to fill in your tree. And I would even do these on much larger balls, like a 4-inch ball. For this size, I ended up using 4 strips of 2-inch and 4 strips of 3-inch. I just 4 strips off of your yardage. So if you have some scrap yardage, I suggest you guys try this out. You can mix the colors. You can do all of a solid color. You can even make the squares larger, but it's a really, really, really fast project. You can use wet glue. You can continue to use hot glue like this. It's just up to you. But these balls look so cute on the Christmas tree. See? Look at how cute they fill in areas. I'm going to show you guys a picture of both of them side by side, and make sure you just kind of rough them up a little bit so that they have that scraggly kind of look. And there you are. The big one is on the right. That's the 3-inch one, and then the 2.5 inch one, or the 2-inch one, is on the left. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.